Stalingrad, winter 1942. The city lies in ruins, streets choked with smoke, factories burning, and the Volga flowing red with blood. Yet the battle is far from over. German tanks edge forward through shattered neighborhoods, convinced victory is within reach. But in every cellar, behind every wall, Soviet defenders wait with rifles in hand, ready to strike. Snipers perch in the rubble, machine guns roar from broken assembly lines, and ordinary families huddle underground as the world's deadliest street fight rages above them. This is not just war. This is Stalingrad, where a city becomes a fortress, and every heartbeat echoes with defiance. But what turned this ruined city into the graveyard of an army? How did ordinary men and women hold back Hitler's might in battles measured not by miles, but by single rooms and single staircases? Stay with us, because what happens next is more than history. It is the turning point of a world at war, a clash of willpower and survival that will grip you until the very last shot. September 1942. The Germans stormed into the smoking ruins of Stalingrad. What had once been a thriving city was now a twisted battlefield of brick, steel, and fire. Soldiers expected quick conquest, but every block became a fortress, every ruin a trap. The inferno of urban war had begun. The Luftwaffe struck again and again, but rubble only bred more defenders. In basements, cellars, and ruined apartments, the Red Army dug in. For the Germans, the city was destroyed. For the Soviets, destruction became their shield. Close combat raged in the factories. The Red October, the Barricadi, the tractor plant. Machine guns echoed through rusting halls as men fought among twisted steel. Every workshop was a battlefield, every assembly line a front line. The Germans called it the Rattenkrieg, the War of the Rats. Men crawled through sewers, cellars, and broken pipes, ambushing each other in darkness. Battles collapsed into chaos, measured not in miles, but in feet. Snipers became legends. Hidden among ruins, they stalked with patience, each shot echoing across broken streets. Vasily Zaitsev, a shepherd-turned-soldier, rose as a symbol, his rifle striking fear into the hearts of invaders. Life beneath the ruins was grim. Civilians and soldiers alike lived in cellars with rats and corpses, enduring hunger, thirst, and constant bombardment. Yet in the darkness, a will to fight burned brighter than despair. Artillery never stopped. German guns pounded day and night, reducing streets to dust. Soviet mortars answered from hidden corners, the duel echoing like thunder across the city. Stalingrad became a storm of endless fire. The Volga River remained the lifeline. Under fire, barges carried men and supplies across. Every crossing was a gamble, but reinforcements kept coming. Even as death rained down, the river fed the city with blood and steel. Despite the destruction, Soviet banners flew defiantly. To the Germans, the city was rubble. To the Soviets, it was sacred ground. A message echoed through the ruins: Stalingrad will not fall. By October, both sides were locked in a death struggle. Streets, factories, and even staircases became graveyards. The Germans pressed forward, but the Soviets clung on. The inferno consumed all, yet Stalingrad still stood.